Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Crack VIT, the exclusive platform dedicated only for your VIT EEE preparation. As everyone knows that VIT EEE is one of the prominent examinations through which we get admission into prestigious institutes like VIT Vellore and VIT Chennai. To crack this exam, this channel is exclusively dedicated and devoted for its preparation. So for all those aspirants who are eyeing for VIT EEE 2026, and also we have seen a significant change in its examination pattern, so we have to prepare according to that and brace ourselves completely for its preparation. This channel will target your preparation and will assist you how to manage your preparation very well for your VIT EEE examination. So now let's get started with our first video, VIT EEE 2026, a new beginning. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing our channel and watch this video from beginning till the end so that you understand each and everything very clearly. Now, we are planning to bring VIT EEE practice series for you, and for that purpose, like this video as much as possible and help us achieve the target of 100 plus likes. The moment we get the stronger response from your side, definitely we are soon going to bring lot of content extremely devoted for VIT EEE examination. Now, let's understand first of all VIT EEE 2025, a new beginning. This is your gateway to India's top private tech university, which is VIT University, and the most prominent colleges VIT Vellore and VIT Chennai. What are the key points? This exam is conducted by VIT for BTech admissions into its 4 campuses, Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal and AP. There is a new pattern, right? Until this year, we have seen there used to be the 125 questions of 1 mark each, and there used to be no negative marking. But this year, it has changed. Each question will now be of 4 marks, and every wrong answer will give you 1 negative marking. So here this becomes very important for all of us to understand its pattern clearly. Number of questions will going to stay same, timing is same, 2.5 hours, and it is online only, and sections are also same with their total number of questions. But most important change has been done in the marking scheme. So it is important for us now to be very cautious with the negative marking in picture, right? So focus will be on accuracy and speed. Until now, speed was the only thing, but now accuracy will also going to matter the most. So blind guessing will not going to work anymore. Treat this as your fresh start toward an engineering edge. Definitely VIT EEE will now become more and more important with this year changes. And master the pattern, play smart. Now what is most important is we need to understand the pattern. If we master it, and then definitely we can increase our chances significantly for getting admission into VIT Vellore. Accuracy is the new strength. With speed in place, now accuracy will also be in focus. What are the key points? Total marks 500, 125 into 4 equals to 500. What will be the marking impact? Every mistake will cost you 1 mark. And so what becomes most important as the part of the process is that we need to choose the questions carefully and answer accordingly. What would be our time plan? See, 55 minutes we need to devote towards mathematics portion, for 40 physics 40 minutes, for chemistry same amount of time, and for aptitude and English, even if we dedicate 15 minutes, that will also going to work. What would be the strategy in play? See, attempt sure ones first. So far, what the strategy that have been that we are very much sure with these kind of questions, so we would go ahead with these, then flag doubtful questions for review. So later on, whenever you have the time, you can come back and attempt those questions wherever you feel that it is doubtful, right? So use mock test to find your speed versus accuracy sweet spot. So you have to write the mock test and practice them as much as possible, as it will going to give you a significant aid in understanding and practicing the mock test. So that would become a very important part of the process. All right, now prioritize concept applications. Remember that NCERT foundation is the key. Stronger your concepts would be, better you will be in attempting the questions. So that's why practicing NCERT becomes the must. Then maintain calm tempo. Obviously, you need not to rush towards attempting extra number of questions, right? You have to practice the way with the calm temperament. You need to be very well composed while writing the paper, as when you will be calm and when you will be with the very clear mindset, then definitely you are poised to do well in your examinations. So hopefully we have understood how to master our pattern. Now, what are the essentials for our preparation? Build a focused plus error-free approach. Until now, what was the scene that zero negative marking means that we could attempt the questions blindly and we could have made the guesses blindly. But right now, what becomes important is that we need to prepare in a very structured and the focused manner. And that error-free approach is the essential part of the process. How this will be enacted, let's understand that core sources for our preparation would be class 11th plus 12th NCERT as per the prescribed VIT EEE syllabus plus VIT EEE based relevant study resources. With the help of these resources, then definitely we can do well in our examination. High weightage topics are provided over here in maths, calculus, algebra, coordinate geometry, whereas in physics, electrodynamics, optics and modern physics, and in chemistry, thermodynamics, organic mechanisms and electrochemistry, to name a few. What would be our drills? The practice drills will also one of the significant area we need to work along with. Daily practice we need to do, right? Question practice for our problem solving. That's how in that manner only we would be able to improve our problem solving approach. Plus weekly mock test analysis for error patterns. So we need to observe where we are making mistakes, and when we work towards improving, then definitely we will be able to see our visible results. Don't ignore aptitude and English, as it is one of the most scoring areas and easy areas. Definitely you can fetch easy marks from these areas, so they are going to boost your final rank. Ultimate thing is your mindset. At this point, whenever you are preparing for VIT EEE, your mindset going to matter the most. Consistency is important than cramming, whereas precision is now become the most important priority over guessing. Now this cramming and guessing will not going to work anymore in the VIT EEE examination, whereas consistency and precision will be the most important aspects. So with this entire preparation strategy in mind, VIT EEE is our new beginning. Then definitely when we apply all these principles and we imbibe all these aspects in our preparation, we are poised to do well in our VIT EEE examination. We are going to bring lot and lot of very relevant VIT EEE related content on our channel, Crack VIT. So subscribe and share it with your friends also, so that they can also get benefited with their VIT EEE preparation. The only channel exclusively dedicated for your VIT EEE preparation on the YouTube. This is the first channel which is present on YouTube exclusively devoted for your VIT EEE preparation. So show us your love and support and subscribe to our channel. See you in the upcoming videos with more and more relevant and useful content. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस।